Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today our hack is trying to withdraw money from M-Pesa. Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Our tutorial today we are going to look at a life hack. We are trying to withdraw cash from PayPal to M-Pesa. Yeah, the trick that today we are going to use is that M-Pesa, being a mobile money transfer service in Kenya, is one of the best online payment method. Anyone can send money all over Kenya through it. So in East Africa, this is the most reliable payment digital method. Yeah, these are the different services that they normally offer. So our hack today is that they only allow somebody to withdraw $190, which is 20k in 2 hours. Our hack today is we want to bypass the system. Yeah, it's I will not call it a practice in cybercrime, since it's a loophole that they have. Maybe they'll detect afterwards, but we'll try to withdraw. Once we withdraw $190, it normally takes 2 hours. Then after you have withdrawn the $190 or 20,000 Kenya shillings, you'll have to wait for 24 hours for you to be able to withdraw cash again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our live hack today is how we'll bypass the system's rules that tells us that you can only withdraw $190 or 200 US dollars in every 24 hours. Now we will be withdrawing more than that. So the first thing that we'll do here, our PayPal balance is not $400, is 296. So what we'll be doing, we'll divide it by 2, which means is 148. We'll come to the service that enables us to withdraw is paypalmobilemoney.com stroke M-Pesa. That is a legit way. You will come here. Welcome to PayPal Mobile Money Service with M-Pesa. How it works. We will log in. Once we log in, will be able to enter into the system. We want to bypass the system rules, which says that you can only withdraw 200 US dollars in a 20 in the it will take only 2 hours, but after the 2 hours we'll have to wait 24 hours to withdraw. Otherwise will be thrown to 72 hours limit. So the first thing, we will log in. So in anytime you are already logged in your one tab as logged in into PayPal, the service that PayPal to M-Pesa will log automatic. So the next thing will come withdraw money from PayPal. We can see the balance is 296. We want to withdraw 148 US dollars. 148 by 2 is 296. Yeah, we'll confirm from the email. Let us refresh the email. There is no transaction that has there is no ongoing transaction. So we'll come here, we will say continue to withdraw. Once we say we continue withdraw, we'll say that it means the amount to be debited from PayPal account is 148 US dollars. Your transaction will be processed in the next 2 hours. Once we withdraw these $148 in the 2 hours, it means unless we wait for 24 hours again, 24 hours for you to be allowed to withdraw over or less than $200 again. But now we want to bypass. We want to withdraw $148 and another $148 at the same time. That's the live hack today. Hope you are very clear and you understand. We're withdrawing 15,000 Kenya shilling. It means the system normally say that you can only withdraw less than $200 in 2 hours. After that transaction, you'll have to wait for 24 hours to make another such transaction. Otherwise, if you make the first transaction less than $200, you withdraw it with the next 2 hours and make another transaction, you'll have to wait over 72 hours. That is what we want to bypass. So we'll say confirm, and before the system confirms, we say confirm again, and I'm sure the system will make two payments. Yeah, your withdrawal has been successful and will be processed in the next 2 hours. So let us refresh in PayPal and see if it has made two transactions. Since we clicked twice, it means, yeah, here it is valid. We can see now it is Kenyan time. We see it has made two transactions. That is something that we are noting that PayPal balance, we are bypassing the system. The system says if we withdraw less than $200, you'll in 2 hours you'll have to wait over 24 hours for you to make another transaction. Otherwise, if you withdraw $200 and make another transaction, you'll have to wait for 92 for 72 hours. We can see it's saying let us go back to homepage. In my phone, I've received the two transactions telling me that it has withdrawn twice. We can see here, we can see the balance here. It means it has done two transactions, so it is possible to bypass the system. I think, yeah, we will wait for 2 hours and the cash will be within our docket. Today's life hack was how to bypass PayPal M-Pesa. The way the rule says that you can only withdraw less than $200 in 2 hours, then wait for over 24 hours to make another transaction and wait for the same time. So I think we'll confirm in the email if the two transactions are there. There should be two transactions. It tells us that you have authorized one over $148. So yeah, I think it will be ready in PayPal. When we come to the legit place, we'll see what you said has been true. We've bypassed the system such that it has withdrawn more than $200 in the next 2 hours. You can see it has made two transactions because we clicked withdraw. By the time the browser is loading, you click withdraw again. So the system will make two withdrawals at the same time. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you stick with me. Today live hack was how to bypass M-Pesa system that says you can only withdraw $200 in less than 2 hours. Then afterwards, wait for 24 hours to make another transaction which is less than $200 in the next 2 hours. Or otherwise, if you make the first transaction which is less than $200 and before the 2 hours, before the 24 hours bypass, you make another transaction, means that you will have to wait over 72 hours. That's the delay. This life hack normally assist maybe somebody who has over M-Pesa have several limits that you can only transact over only $700. This is a life hack that really applies. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you stick with me to the. Thank you for sticking to the end of the recording. And our tutorial today is how to bypass M-Pesa's limit. Thank you. We'll have to log out, and thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video.